I don't think enough people are aware of the massive corruption scandal currently going on in Alberta. It's part of a trend of Canadian Conservatives selling off our public services to wealthy donors and saying it's all for the good of their citizens. In January of last year, Athana Mentzelopoulos was fired from her role as CEO of Alberta Health Services, or AHS. It was suspicious as since August of 2024, Mentzelopoulos was investigating provincial contracts with private surgery providers. Since the UCP gained office, they've defunded public health care and moved those funds to private companies. Premier Smith claimed that the funds would be more efficiently used. So, when Mentzelopoulos started to notice a trend of overpriced procurement contracts, she grew suspicious. It appeared that these contracts may have been the result of heavy-handed encouragement by political staffers, such as Danielle Smith's then Chief of Staff, Marshall Smith. No relation. Mentzelopoulos started to ask around and compile her findings, eventually setting up some time with the Auditor General of Alberta. Just 2 days before that meeting was to occur, Mentzelopoulos was fired. Since then, details have emerged of just how intertwined the UCP is with the private medical company at the heart of so many questionable procurement practices, MH Care. MH Care is an Albertan-based medical company owned by Mr. Sam Raish. Sam Raish has been a long-time Albertan Conservative donor. In 2023, he was even investigated by Elections Alberta for allegedly funneling political donations through friends in order to circumvent donation limits. In 2024, Danielle Smith and members of her team were spotted at a hockey game in Sam Raish's private box. Danielle Smith's Chief of Staff, Marshall Smith, was even living in a house owned by Sam Raish. Now, I would like to point out that any claims of a clear quid pro quo are only alleged, especially since Sam Raish is currently suing Nate Pike, the excellent host of The Breakdown Alberta, for doing nothing more than pointing out everything I just did. So I'll speak personally. If I give someone, anyone, thousands and thousands of dollars, let them live in a beautiful house I owned, and gave them tickets to a private box for playoff hockey, I would want something in return.